Today we have the 1000 SRT and going to show you how to go into utility mode and do a reset. Basically, you want to hold left shift, play button, and turn on the power. Keep an eye right here. Boom, look at that. Goes right into utility mode. So in utility mode, you want to scroll forward, backward, but when you go backward, it brings you right into reset, factory reset. All you got to do is press Q. It tells you right there. Q for enter. Boom. It moves down, and then you're going to move either back or forward. You're going to get reset. Hit Q again. It's resetting right now. Factory reset. That means all of the built-in features have been reset to factory. Now you could go ahead and power it off and power it back on, and you are all set. It has been fully reset. So make sure you like, subscribe for more videos with tips on how to use these controllers and any other DJ related questions. Thank you and have a great day.